And we're here with Katie Griffin following the Griffs' 4-3 victory today over St. Peter's. Katie, first goal, 40 seconds into the game. What did it take for you guys to get it after it right away?
We just really knew we had to attack this game, and we had the opportunity. It was a great ball by Kelly McMahon on a corner kick, and I just put myself out there and luckily got my head on it, and it went in the net. And we needed that just to get excited to get the momentum going.
Today was senior day, obviously playing in your last home game as a Griff. What did it mean for you guys to come out and get the win today?
It meant a lot. Just not only our work this past season, but over the past 4 years, it kind of all came down to us today emotionally, and so we were happy to get that win.
2 wins in a row now, a little bit of momentum heading into the MAC championships. What are you guys looking forward to down there?
We're looking forward to the underdogs winning. And yeah, we got that momentum going. We know what we have to do, so hopefully we can keep getting wins down there.
Well, hopefully they have some confidence going. You know, had a couple of good games in a row here, got a couple of wins, so hopefully the girls have some confidence and feel good going into Disney.
Jumped out to an early lead there, got the first goal 40 seconds in, followed another one not too long after. What was the kind of the mentality coming out right away?
I think they wanted to come out and win, you know, so I think it was a great start for the girls. Certainly the first minute or so we got that goal. Overall, I don't know if we played a great first half. We certainly had possession of the ball a lot, but the weather was a factor to that. I don't think we moved the ball well enough as we could, but we played well enough to get a couple good goals and came out fairly strong in the second half. We got 2 more goals.
Now you guys are kind of riding a little bit of momentum here, but what are your kind of outlooks? You know, leaving Thursday for the MAC championships, what are we looking for there?
Well, we just take one game at a time. I know the girls have been talking about going to the MAC championships the last couple of weeks, so I know that's been a focus of theirs. So getting a couple wins and going down there, we just want to take one day at a time and take our next opponent at a time and prepare for them.